Yo, what's going on guys, Squiddy here, back with another video. In today's video I'm doing yet another unboxing and I'm so excited. As you can see by the title, just had it delivered literally about 2 minutes ago. This will be a very short video, it's just an unboxing. We've got the Stream Deck XL and the box is actually huge. Let's unbox it. Pull the lid off. We got a leaflet and then inside we have the actual Stream Deck. Oh shit, it's actually heavy. That looks amazingly packaged. Official like Elgato sticker. Holy smokes, look at those flashy buttons. Stream Deck. Oh my days, they feel so good. They sound so good as well. That's going to get so dusty. Obviously it's a magnetic thing. That's amazing. So you can have it prompted up on the stand like that. Or you can take the stand off and you can have a flat. Obviously I'll be using the stand because it looks super clean. You get a cable, USB-C, and it's braided. Let's plug the device in. Now let's take it off the stand. And you're going to want to plug the USB-C cable into here, just like that. And then what you're going to want to do is take the USB-A port cable and fit it through that hole there. So after you do all of that, so let's plug it in. You should see the Elgato logo in 3, 2, 1. That USB port is not connected. And the Elgato logo is live. Obviously I'm going to change this off and do everything up. That's everything in the Elgato unboxing. That's been me, Squiddy, over and out.